Good evening. In this video, we'll explore key concepts in semantic and theory of meaning in linguistics. Well, discuss what linguistic knowledge is, the true conditional semantics, compositional semantics, tautologies, analytic statements, and contradictions. First, we're going to talk about what is language knowledge. Language knowledge refers to what we know about all language or how to use this information to understand and produce sentences. And this knowledge is unconscious, meaning don't think about grammatic rules, but we can still recognize with either a sentence incorrect or incorrect in a given language. For example, we know that in English we say the car is on the mat, but not I say Cadeon is mat. No. Second, we're going to talk about true conditional semantics. True conditional semantics is the theory that explains the meaning of sentences in terms of the conditional under which they will be true. In other words, a sentence is true if the circumstances it describes all true in the word. For example, snow is white. It's true, but if snow is actually white in the real world, if it isn't, the sentence will be false. And the third is a conditional semantic. Compositional semantics is the idea of the meaning that a sentence is built from the meanings of its parts and how those parts are combined. So, to understand complex sentences, you just need to know the meaning of the words and how they fit together, grammatically, obviously. For example, in the sentence, and the dog sleeps, we know that dog refers to an animal and sleeps refers to an action. Together, the words form a sentence. A dog is resting. Okay, the fourth topic is tautologies and analytic statements. An analytic a tautology is a sentence that is always true because its truth is redundant. For example, all bachelors are unmarried. This is true by definition because being a bachelor means not being married. An analytic statement is similar, has its truth depends solely on the definition of the words, not on the facts of the word. For example, a triangle has three sides. It's true by the definition of triangle. And for the last one topic, we're going to talk about contradictions. On the other hand, contradictions are sentences that are always false. They can never be true in any circumstance. For example, the sun is a planet and not a planet. This sentence doesn't make sense because both parts contradicts each other because they contradict themselves. And for the last ones, the conclusion. To summary, we talk about how linguistic knowledge allows to understand and use language, how true conditional semantic and compositional semantics helps to understand sentence meaning, and how we see an example on tautologies, analytic statements, a contradiction. There's concepts are essential for understanding how meaning works in language. And thanks for watching the video. If you have any question or comments, feel free to leave them below and see you the next time. Thank you very much.